It's time to get in tune!
Hi, I'm Michael Grassia, and welcome to my studio. Let me tell you a little bit about myself. For over 20 years, I've been a professional artist, with 15 years teaching both traditional and digital art at colleges, both on-site and online. In addition, I travel to comic book conventions where I host workshops discussing cartooning and storytelling. Now, cartooning and storytelling truly are my passion. There's nothing more in this world I love than to tell a story through comics. The reason being is because in comics, you're only limited to your imagination and your skill with that pencil. You see, if you can dream it and you can draw it, you can go there. Now, over the last 8 months or so, I've worked with Little Blow Studios to develop my first educational app, which will soon be released, called A Simple Guide to Storytelling. Let's take a look at what this app's going to do.
Before you begin to play the game, I recommend going to the Story Notes section, which can be found on almost any screen throughout this app. This will give you a demonstration on how to create stories both as in a story strip or in a humor strip. Both sections of the storytelling notes offer both text-based notes and a video with audio to help you learn. Creating a story is as simple as a few clicks. You choose a story type, and then you build your story. Everything is random, and you can click things on and off, or fix specific areas if you choose. Once you're ready, you click Start Creating. Each game lasts 2 rounds, and you can set the timer to suit your needs. You also have the ability to save your story. After you build your story, and then click Start Creating, there's a Save Story icon on the left of the screen. You can save your story and always come back to it later if needed, which you can find in the Your Story section on the main screen. With the ability to save a story, you also have the ability to change a story. You do this by opening up an old story that you've created and then playing with the Build Story section. You can then resave it to create a new story. You also have the ability to delete a story by going into the Your Story section and clicking the Delete button. Finally, you can go to the How to Play section and learn how to play the game, as well as find help and support for the app. In the Settings section, you can go in and change things like your word pack, your theme, the font you're using, time settings for each round, as well as a few other things.
Well, there you go. That was a quick overview of my upcoming app, A Simple Guide to Storytelling. Follow me on social media so you can stay up to date with this app and my future work. Thanks again for watching, and remember, there's always time to get in tune.